Have you ever wondered why a search produced a particular result? On Aluka, an understanding of what happens when you click View Results will help you get the results you want. Many of these tips can be used outside of Aluka as well, on search engines, databases, and digital libraries. The advanced search can be accessed from the home page next to the full text search. From other screens, it is found on the left-hand side. I click on Advanced Search to take a look. This is the Advanced Search screen. I still have the full text search option on top. Below that, I can see the content areas as well as the About Aluka category. I can click on any one of these to isolate my search in one particular area. About Aluka will search all the informational pages on Aluka, including the help documentation. The default search option is all content areas. If you want to isolate your search in one particular content area, be sure to click it here. Below that and to the right, I can specify how many results I want to view per page. Under that, I have the search fields. It is important to remember that some of the search fields will change depending on the content area. So, I click African Cultural Heritage from the content areas above. I can see that a search field has been added. Place is specific to African Cultural Heritage. I click on African Plants and I can see many new search options that are available. The same is true when I click on Struggles for Freedom. There are several new categories that have been added at the bottom of the advanced search page. For my search, I will choose Struggles for Freedom in Southern Africa. I already know what title is, but what is a creator? Creator is the person or institution that created the material. If it is a book, then creator would be the author. Resource type is a drop-down menu and is an excellent way to see the range of content available in Aluka. I can limit my search to any one of these. I want to look for magazines. The advanced search in Aluka also supports Boolean operators and wildcards. So what is a Boolean operator? And, or, not. I can combine two terms using AND. Aluka will then search for both of these terms together. So, I can say Mozambique and revolution. Any result will have both those terms. AND generally produces fewer results, but they are more focused. So, I search with AND. I can see the number of results here. I want to try a different search, so I click Edit Search. This saves me the time of typing the search statement again. Or can be used to search one term or the other. So, I can search Mozambique or revolution. Or generally produces more results. I get a different results list. I click Edit Search. Not will search for one term but not the other. So, all the results will have Mozambique but not revolution. I get a results list. I click Edit Search. I can also put these two terms together in quotation marks, which will search for them exactly in the order as they appear. So, I will get results from Mozambique Revolution, but not with Revolution Mozambique. Now I have fewer results. I can also use wildcards in my search. A wildcard is basically a replacement for a character or multiple characters. I can use either asterisk or question mark as a wildcard. For example, I enter. I can see the number of results. Or I can use a question mark to replace any one character in a word. I type in a search that should find results for both women and woman. I get fewer results. I can combine some of these search tips in one search phrase. For example, I search for I get a very specific group of results. I can click Larger View or Entire Text File to see where the search terms appear in the document. I can click on the page number to go directly to that page. I can save this search by clicking Save Search in the upper right. Rather than repeat all of these search statements, I can also click View Search History on the left to see all the search statements I have created in this session. I can go to any one of these searches again by clicking View Results, or I can save search directly from here. From the Advanced Search screen, you can also open the Query Editor. This is a good tool for advanced searchers.